there, it's Mrs. S. Today I am going to show you how to draw a cat, but not any cat, a Beanie Boo Cat. Beanie Boo Cats have big eyes. So go get a piece of paper, a marker or a pencil, click pause and come back, or watch the whole video and make it later. So, step number 1, you're gonna draw the head of the cat, a big circle. Step number 2, we're gonna do the little ears. Big, big, big. Now the eyes, big circle. We're gonna make 3 circles. 1, 2, and 3. Out of the 3, you're gonna color inside the second one. This is going to be black. The same with the other one. 1, 2, and one more. 3. Color inside this part. Now the little nose. U. Close it up. Now a little line and go one side and the other side. Big, big. You can make the whiskers now or later. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna draw the body. Draw one line down, one line down. Okay. Now we're gonna make the middle of the 2 paws in here. Go up and down. Close it up. One paw, one paw. We're gonna do the chest of the kitty, the back legs, and the little tail. And that is your Beanie Boo kitty. You can color any color you want. You can color the background. You can make more than one. And I hope you have fun making a Beanie Boo kitty. Bye! I will see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe.